Hello everyone and welcome to the new episode in the ESL server tutorial. In a previous episode we looked at templates, and in this episode we're going to look at conditionals, which we're going to use on the templates. If you haven't seen the templates video yet, please watch that before watching this one, because we're going in deeper on the specifics of templates and especially the conditionals. In the last episode I told you about the problem that could exist if we have a product without a discount while using a template that has a discount. So the one on my desk actually has a discount. There is a before price and there is an after price. But if we look at the ESL server, I also have a product linked to an ESL and that product has no discount. So if we look at the preview for that one, and I have it actually here behind me, you can see that although the price standard is 79 cents, it's now showing as though it's discounted to 79 cents. Of course, that's something we don't want to show to our customers. They don't want to feel like they're being cheated. So what we want to do is use one template for discounted items and one template for normal items. So we're going back to templates, and I already changed around a bit in the new default. That new default should only show the description and the current price, and that a new template called new default should show the actual discounted item with all of the eye-catching red color and images and strike-throughs. And basically, if we want to use that, we first turn on the label, but now it says that both are default labels. Of course, that's not going to work. If you press apply, it's going to just say, okay, if we go back to ESLs, there is no new template going to be used. Well, actually there is, because the default just changed order. But what we want to do is say, no, we don't want to use new discount as the default. We only want to use it under certain conditions. That's why we call it a conditional. And the condition is, well, as we saw when we selected a product, there is a standard price and a sell price. Only in the case that the standard price is bigger or greater than the current sell price do we want to use this template, and otherwise we want to use the default. And the templates are being selected top to bottom, so if it can use new discount under that conditional, it's going to use this template. If it can't, it skips it, looks to the next one. Oh, that's the default, I will always use that. There's also a not found conditional, which is sort of a last resort catch-all, which is in case that you are connecting a label to a no longer existing product, or a product that is so new that it's not yet in your database. That way your ESL will shout to you, this is not found, and here is my not found template, to alert you that there is an issue with either your database or your linking tables. So let's press apply and the new labels will be applied. If you go back to the ESL tab, you can see that both are going to receive a new image. The tomato paste, which has a discount, is using the discount table. And the other ESL without any discount is using the default template. And as you can see, the item with the discount is now changing to the template showing the discount. And the other ESL that I have is showing the default template. If you see them side by side, it's quite obvious that this one is just a normal item and this one is supposed to draw your customer's attention. And that's the idea of the conditionals. We want to attract customers to our store by using our templates and attracting them to discounts. And as soon as the discount is ended, and the price in the database is going back, then all of the templates will automatically change to reflect the new situation in your store. And likewise, if a product that is not on discount goes on discount, it's fully automatic. The new template will be used for the discount, and that way your store remains interactive, responsive to changes in the database. And that, in a nutshell, is how conditionals work. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions left, please contact support. There is a link in the description to our support channels. I would like to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in another tutorial.